The next topic is directions. Now, what is called as a direction? Direction means when I am moving, the object is moving like this, I am walking like this. Now, when the object is moving is called as I am going to the forward or backward or left or right. So, this is I am going to the straight like this. This is one direction, I am going to the left side, this is the one direction, this I am going to the like this is the one direction. This is called as when the movement is there, direction will be occurred. See here. Now, there are mainly two poles are there in the directions. First one is, see here. Now, this is the north pole and south pole. Based on the north pole and south pole, again you can east, this is the east, this is the west. This is the north, this is the east, this is the south. Now I am going to the towards the north, this is the north. Now again north right, this is called as a right. This is called as a north right, it will come in the east. North left, this is the left. So left nothing but north left, it will come in the west. Again west left, it will come in the south. Now again south right, this is the right. South right, it will coming again west here. South right, it will coming west. Now see, I am taking like this is the right. East right, now it will come in the south. Again east left, now it will come in the north. Now in this direction, now I am drawing like this. This is the north to like this. Now this is the clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. The clockwise direction is called as a right hand side. So the clockwise direction is called as a right hand side. Now coming to the left side, this is the north left to anti-clockwise direction is there. This is the anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clock. So anti-clockwise direction is called as a left hand side. Now coming to the, see the diagram, north right it will come in the east, east right it will come in the south, and south right west, west right north. This is the all the clockwise direction. This is the clockwise, you take the right hand side, or anti-clockwise direction you take the left hand side. In that one again I am taking the now same directions and north and again south and east west. Again derived in the between the places, again derived again for what is this? Now this is the between north and east is there, north and east is there, northeast, and north and south pole is there. Now this is called as the southeast. Again coming to the in the west and south, this is the west and south. Now southwest. Now again north and west between the places is north west. Coming to the again clockwise, this is the clockwise direction, this is the right hand side, this is the clockwise right hand. Again Same, I am taking this anti-clockwise. This is the anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clock, left hand. So a left hand side. This is called left hand side. Now, now the person is facing towards the north. The person is facing towards the north. Turn the right, nothing but it will coming the east. See here, the person is moving towards the north, turn the left, nothing but the person is coming to the west. North, left, nothing but it will coming the west. So, now see the movements of the object. Now, movements. The person is facing towards north, turn the left, turn the left. So the person is there here. The person is there, the person is facing towards the north. This is the north. The person is the movement, what is the movement here? The person is moving towards north. Again turn the left, left nothing but now north, left, this is the left direction. Anti-clockwise side. North, left, anti-clockwise side. The person is coming to the west direction. So, finally the man is facing to west direction. Now, same I am taking the one more example. So, this is the one more example. The person is facing towards south, towards south, turn the left, turn the left. The person is facing towards the south, nothing but the person is there here. Towards the south, the person is facing towards the south. Turn the left, left nothing but south, left is there. Now south, this is the left. So now this is the south. South left, it will come in the east. So finally the man is facing towards the east. Here finally man is facing towards the west. Now the movements is here. The movements is here, different directions are the person is moving. Now this is the introduction of movements. Now how many types are there in the directions problem? Now see the one by one. Now first the directions. Final direction. Now type 1, there are the types. Type 1 is final directions. Now type 2 is now shortest distance. Shortest distance. Shortest distance. Type 3, now from the starting point, now type 4 is shadows problem. in this direction. Mainly we are finding the 4 types of problem. First one is final direction. Now second one is to finding the shortest distance. Now third type is from the starting point the man is which direction finally facing. Now type 4 is based on the shadows problem. Now see one by one what is the final direction and what is the shortest distance, how to find out the shortest distance, and from starting point, and again shadows based problem. From the shortest distance they given like this. Now from the starting point, they given like this angles. Angles nothing but and degrees wise questions, degrees based questions. So degrees based questions. Now see one by one what is the final direction. First type 1. The man is facing towards north. Turn his right. Turn is right, and again he turn is left. Which direction man is finally facing. The question is type 1 is finally facing. Which direction man is finally facing? Now see the solution part. The man is facing towards the north. North is there. Now the person is going towards the north. This is the north. Again turn is, this is the first one. The man is facing towards the north and his turn is right. Turn is right, nothing but the north right east. This is the east. Now again he turn is left nothing but again is going to the east, left to north. This is the direction. So finally is facing to the again north. So the man is facing towards the finally is again north. The finally facing the man is north. Once again see here, the man is facing towards the north and again his turn is right nothing but it will comes on the east. So again it turn is left nothing but again is going to the east to again north. Now finally the man is facing which direction is north direction. So the answer is north. Now same in the way you see the second problem. Second problem. Now Ramu is facing towards south. He turn is right. His turn is right, and again turn is right. Right. Which direction? Which direction? Which direction? Finally, Ram is facing. This is question number 2. Now see this one. Now see the solution part. Now Ramu is facing towards the south. Now here Ramu is there here. This is the Ramu. Ramu is facing towards the south. The Ramu is coming towards the south. Again turn is right. Turn is right. Right nothing but again south right. So west. 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 And again finally turn is right. Again turn is right nothing but again the person is going towards the again north. So now this one also it means the finally Ram is facing towards the north. This is the type 1. Now which direction the man goes in the final, that is your answer. So this is the no. Now see the type 2. Now we are going to the finding the shortest distance. So shortest distance, this is the horizontal distance. Now this is the vertical distance. This is the vertical. Now I am taking this is the horizontal distance is x, vertical distance is y. Now shortest distance is equal to, this is the shortest distance. Shortest distance is equal to, this is the under root of x square plus y square. So in the type 2 we are finding the shortest distance. This is the whole horizontal distance is called, I am taking the horizontal distance is the x and vertical distance is y. Then find the shortest distance is equal to, can I write like this, under root of x square plus y square. Now see one problem, no type 2 problem. Now Sita walks 20 meters towards east. She turn is her left. She turn her left 15 meters. Then find the shortest distance. Then find the shortest distance. Now Sita walks 20 meters east. Nothing but, now I am taking the now Sita walk 20 meters east. So 20 meters Sita walk. And again she turn her left nothing but she walking like this. Her left, this is the east left to north. How many meters here? 15 meters. Then find the shortest distance. This is the shortest distance. Now shortest distance is equal to SD is equal to under root of 20 square plus 15 square is equal to 400 plus 225 under root of 625 can be written as 25 meters. The shortest distance is, now shortest distance is 25 meters. See the problem? Sita walks 20 meters towards the east. She turned her left to 15 meters. Nothing but now here Sita walks 20 meters east. This is the east is there. And again she turned her left. Her left nothing but again she is going to the east to north. Now find the shortest. Nothing but this is the shortest distance. Now shortest distance is equal to, apply the Pythagoras rule, can be under root of 20 square plus 15 square is equal to 625. Root 625 can be written as 25 meters. This 25 can be written as 25 into 25. This can be written as like this. Now see one more problem, the type 2. Now Ram walking 10 meters towards south and again he turned is left 20 meters and finally turn is right 30 meters. Then find horizontal distance. And vertical distance. Then find vertical distance. Now you are finding the horizontal distance and vertical distance. Now see here, again Ramu walking towards the south. Now first Ramu is there here walking towards the south. Now 10 meters and again he turned his left to 20 meters. Now south left to, see the diagram, south is there, left nothing but the person is going to east direction. This is the east. See here 10 meters, here he turned left 20 meters, this is the 20 meters. Now again he turned his right nothing but again east right, it will come in the east right, see the diagram, in south. How many meters? 30 meters. Now this is 30 meters. Now first you finding the horizontal distance. Here what is the horizontal distance? The only this is the horizontal. Horizontal nothing but this is the horizontal. This is called as a, see the previous, now shortest distance, this is the vertical, this is the vertical, this is the only horizontal. So horizontal distance is equal to, so only this part horizontal. Now here 20 meters. Now vertical distance is equal to, first this is the 10 meters plus this is the 30 meters. So total horizontal vertical distance 40 meters. Once again, now Ramu walks 10 meters towards the south and again he turn his left 20 meter and finally turn his right 30 meters. Then find your horizontal distance, then find the vertical distance. Now Ramu is there here, Ramu is there. Now 10 meters towards the south, this is the south. Now again and he turn his left, nothing but south, left is there, east. Again 20 meters and again he finally turn his right, nothing but again east, right, again south. Now this is the vertical, so this is the horizontal, this is the vertical. This is the horizontal distance only 20 meters and vertical distance 10 plus 30 is equal to 40 meters. This is the type 2 problems. Now we are solving the direction type 2. Now again I am going to the third type 3. See the type 3.